Today I am walking. Yesterday I was walking. Tomorrow I will be walking. Today I am speaking English. Yesterday I was speaking English. Tomorrow I will be speaking English. Today I am running. Yesterday I was running. Tomorrow I will be running. Today I am writing. Yesterday I was writing. Tomorrow I will be writing. Today I am reading a book. Yesterday I was reading a book. Tomorrow I will be reading a book. Today I am drinking water. Yesterday I was drinking water. Tomorrow I will be drinking water. Today I am riding a bike. Yesterday I was riding a bike. Tomorrow I will be riding a bike. Today I am sleeping. Yesterday I was sleeping. Tomorrow I will be sleeping. Today I am playing football. Yesterday I was playing football. Tomorrow I will be playing football. Today I am cooking. Yesterday I was cooking. Tomorrow I will be cooking. Okay, so this is the way how you can practice English very easily, and yeah, it's very easy to learn English. I hope this video will help you to understand how to practice English alone. Okay, so that's it for today. Hope you will enjoy this video and this beautiful scenery. Look, this place. This is very beautiful place, and it's called White Hill. Okay, and very beautiful place. After coming here, I am over the moon. I have come here with my friends. They are over there. They are taking picture each other, right? So that's it for today.